Hello, friends and followers. Well, hello. It's been a while. I'm still working on this HRO 500 on and off. And look at that. That's the old band switch in all of its desecrated beauty. At any rate, I yanked it out and I thought this radio would never work again. Just thought I wouldn't get it going again, but hey, there's hope. So there's the new band switch that I adapted. That's the one that I have in the previous videos that I was sawing up. So it's in now, and it works on band number 4 still, which made me happy. It doesn't have a backside though, and the old band switch here has a bunch of stuff on the back of it too that's all screwed up. So I replicated this part of the wafer. So all the connections on front are replicated here. You can see the gap where this gap is. See that those two gaps? So that's all been replicated, and it looks like that works pretty much. I'm not sure if it all works, but it works on band 4 still. So I have to now get a second wafer and replicate this back, which is going to be hard to do, but I'm trying to figure this out now. So one step at a time, and I'll put that wafer ahead of this one. In fact, I don't even have this wafer locked down. It's just hanging by the wires. And believe it or not, I might leave it that way just because the wires are so stiff and it just works. It doesn't complain. In fact, the back one is kind of loose too, and it just works. So I may just leave it like that. At any rate, band 4 is rather perky right now. There's band 4, and you've seen this work before, but hey, what the heck. So band 4, 15 megahertz. Let's lock it. It was locking. There it goes. So there's WWV on 15. And let's go to 10. At any rate, yeah, I didn't wreck the radio yet. It's got some hope. So I got to get the rest of the bands working, and I got to get that other back of that band switch figured out. I probably had to make one of those out of some old band switch I find. I basically made this band switch and duplicated one and hacked it until it worked in my previous videos to make this one fabricate like the last one I pulled out. Anyway, there's WWV. Let's lock it. If it'll lock. It doesn't want to lock. At any rate, this radio is a case and a half as far as the synthesizer, but it's also what's endearing about it. Come on. Boy, it's not going to lock, is it? Well, there it goes. It's thinking about it. There, it locked. Sheesh. Okay, now take the pre-selector down, and it's ready to go. There you go. Now, one problem with the radio is it's microphonic. Watch this. That takes it out of sync. It seems a little better now than it was with a new switch. It's a lot better, actually. Anyway, that's it. So I'm not sure what else is working in the radio. I know band 4 is working. I was looking on the SDR here to see what I could see as far as activity from the radio. And let's take a look at that. Yeah, you can see when it's out of lock because it'll scan like crazy. Okay, there it is. It was scanning for a minute. So if you unlock this thing, it'll scan. Let's unlock it. And now you can see it's scanning. That's what it's supposed to do. Anyway, that's band 4. I don't think band 5 will work, but let's try it. Band 5. I am not sure even where band 5 lives anymore, but let's see if we can see band 5 scanning anywhere. I should look at the manual. Nope, I don't see band 5 anywhere. Band 4, I'm sorry, band 3. Let's see if band 3 does anything. So yeah, I only have probably band 5 or 4 working. I don't think the rest work at all, because I gotta replicate the back part of that switch to get it copacetic. So yeah, that doesn't work. So I got some work to do, but at least I do have band 4 working again. Oh, looks like it's doing something there. Let's see. I see something moving around. I think these guys are really high up. Come on. No, I don't see that. I'm just looking for the HFO, high frequency oscillator. Okay, there's band 1. Yeah, I don't see him anywhere. So I got a bunch of work to do to get those going. But at least good old band 4 works. There's band 4. That's been the easy one to make work. There it is, scanning. Well, you can hear it scanning there, huh? Okay, well, that's my video. Happy radio for now. I got more work to do, but at least band 4 works. At least one band still works, so I'm really happy about that. It's hard to make this thing lock though on 10 megahertz. Come on. There it is. How about 20 meters? Go to 14. $11, $12, $13, $14. Let's see if that'll lock. Anyway, yeah, I guess this isn't the greatest radio as far as patience, right? Come on, lock. There, it locked. Now pre-select. Yeah, it's kind of a crazy radio, isn't it? Looks like that's not locking too well. There we go. 14 megahertz. There it is. Let's go to sideband mode. And it unlocked. There we go. Funky Monkey Radio. Oh, anyway, nobody on 20 at all. What about FT8? Oh well, anyway, that's my update. It's a funky radio. I gotta try and get this switch figured out now and get the rest of the bands working. Hi. Yeah, I gotta replicate the bottom of the switch here, the back of it. That's the front, replicated this. You can see how that's been done. I got that notch, that horseshoe-like notch, as you can see there in the switch, so that's all good. But I gotta replicate the back of this thing now, which is a real pain in the butt. So I've been trying to get this Johnson switch to work, thinking this might do it, but I have to make this switch an electrical equivalent, and I haven't figured that out yet. If I do figure it out, I'm just gonna put this wafer in like that and wire it in the way it should go, and the thing will be done. Then we'll see if all the bands work. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.